Where did you put the track?
Huh?
You cut the track out?
Yeah, it's up on the roof.
And this will be all accessible by wheelchair ramp? When do you expect this to be done? Monday morning?
We'll be done soon.
I don't know if you heard, I was videotaping a train going by up in Glenhead, and I heard on the scanner, somebody heard on the scanner that somebody got hit by a train up in Locust Valley at about the same time. I called the railroad police detective to verify that I had the picture of the train that hit the guy. After he hit the guy, he didn't know he hit the guy yet. And, so I turned the tape over to the railroad police. It was on the 25th of March. He was actually running without the ditch lights, you know? Yeah. So I don't know if the engineer's in trouble or what. Or maybe it was a mechanical malfunction, I don't know. How deep is the actual ballast under the tracks?